I'd like to demonstrate how to remove the clear plastic from the screen protector of the Unicorn Beetle Pro case. And if you buy the iPad mini version of the case, it even comes with a little card that describes the process. It didn't come with the iPad 10 version, but the process is going to be the same. If you look closely at the back, you may be harder to see actually. On the mini it's much easier to see. There's a little bead of adhesive that runs around the outside of the underside of the case, and you're just going to soften that adhesive up using a hairdryer and then push the plastic away from it. Once it's off, you're not going to be able to put it back on, so realize this is a one-way process. But in order to install the key guard, you need to have this clear plastic out of the way. You could set it aside, I guess, if you could reuse it maybe, to create a similar little barrier even on the key guard itself. But let's get started. So what I want to do is I want to introduce as much reasonable amount of hot air underneath the edge here. So I'm going to blow the hairdryer from this side, not the underside, top side. And then as it starts to separate, I'm going to just keep working it, directing the air underneath the edge, and work my way completely around the screen protector. I'm just going to use this little soft-tipped stylus to push on the plastic here, because it gets kind of hot underneath the hairdryer, and I'd rather not be using my fingers. So we'll just start first by heating up an area. I'm just going to start in the corner. And I'll test it every once in a while to see if it's beginning to separate. It's beginning to separate now. Just keep directing the heat between the plastic sheet and the rest of the screen protector. And it goes much more quickly once it kind of gets started. I could probably be more efficient here. Okay, I think I've got it. So you can maybe see a little trace of the adhesive right here that went around the screen protector sheet. And you can go back and feel on here to make sure you've got all the goop removed. I don't feel anything. So this is now ready to be used with the new key guard.